So your organization deals with important information. You have taken measures to protect your sensitive data. But you just can't stop worrying if your organization is sufficiently protected. This is where a pen test comes in, a proven method to verify if your security is up to par and working as expected. But what exactly is a pen test, and how does it help you? In a pen test, ethical hackers take on the role of a criminal hacker. In doing so, they will test the security of your sensitive information. Like a real criminal, they will try to gain access to your secure data. Of course, within the scope that was agreed upon. When performing a pen test, ethical hackers expose the weaknesses and risks in your applications, networks, and systems. When in scope, ethical hackers can even impersonate the repair guy and physically attempt to access your office and the system storing your data. Afterwards, targeted measures can be taken to mitigate the risks and raise the security to a higher level. With a pen test, the major part consists of manual testing performed by an experienced and skilled ethical hacker. If the majority of the pen test is automated, this is called a vulnerability scan. This is not a very thorough test, but can be useful to find the low-hanging fruit. There are three kinds of pen test methods, namely black box, gray box, and white box. In the case of a black box pen test, the ethical hacker does not receive any information up front, just like a real hacker. In the case of a gray box pen test, some information is made available. For example, the credentials of an employee to verify if this employee can gain unauthorized access to data. In the case of a white box pen test, full transparency is provided in advance, such as network diagrams and source code. This allows for the discovery of complex or well-hidden vulnerabilities. So what does the process of a pen test look like? A pen test always starts with an intake during which the scope of the pen test is recorded. Ethical hackers then start the reconnaissance phase to discover potential entry points. The infrastructure and systems used will be mapped out and low-hanging fruit will be identified. After the reconnaissance, the actual attacking of your applications, networks, or systems begins. Ethical hackers try to find points of entry and exploit vulnerabilities in order to penetrate your systems and access sensitive data. During the pen test, the ethical hackers will document all their findings and classify them according to a risk profile for your organization. This results in an understandable and detailed report with practical solutions to improve the security of your organization. So how do you select an organization to perform a pen test? After all, the ethical hacker that executes the pen test may get access to all your sensitive data. In addition to a thorough screening and a certificate of good conduct, hacker certificates such as OSCP and OSCE are a good indicator of knowledge and creativity. A pen test is an ideal method to test and improve the security of your organization and makes you aware of your security level and risks, so you can be sure your business is protected. If you want more information about a pen test, our specialists will be happy to help you.